So guys, welcome back to the channel once again, where I share my content, where I share transparent everything that I do charts related. So guys, welcome back yet again to another cool video that we're gonna be doing. So guys, today I want to be talking about something that has been happening last week, and I've got some great news. This man over here, the CEO of my Forex funds, was announcing it on Facebook that from now on my Forex funds there will be no trading limit days. There will be unlimited days of trading. That's what I mean. There will be unlimited days of trading whereby you will trade the challenges until you pass stage 1 and stage 2, and you get funded without any 30 days limits or any of those days. So you will trade until you reach the targets that you have to reach. So there is no stress now. Everything is free. You can walk your own pace, you can go at your own pace and relax, which is more good for us as traders. That's what I want to be talking about today. We're going to go straight to the charts. We're going to talk about how many setups I can get in a week, how many setups I can get in a month. We're going to be talking about that, how many wins, how many losses, and all those things, because as for myself as a trader, I found out that it's hard for me to make like things like 10% in a week. It's hard for me to flip accounts, so and all those things when I'm using risk management and following the rules that the prop firm is giving me. I know some people, they can pass a challenge in like 2 days or 3 days. For me, it's very hard. I am sure as well it's very hard for other traders out there. So that's the reason why many people fail the prop firm challenges, because it's really hard for you to make that 10% in a space of a month. So let's go to the charts. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about climbing the major milestone of passing the prop firm. So far my account is looking good. As you can see over here, we are looking good. We've hit some bumpy, we had some bumpy roads during the week, and we had those wins as well. So I'm going to be sharing that with you on the charts, and we're going to be talking about it, and I'm going to walk you through on how many setups I can get in a week, and I'm going to go with you how many setups we might get in this month. So I'm looking at it in a month and a weekly perspective. So let's go to the charts without wasting any time, so that you guys can learn more about everything that we are doing. So let's go to the charts. So guys, welcome back. This is we are looking at the US 100 over here, which is the Nasdaq. I'm gonna take you through, guys. This red line over here represent a month. That's a red line that representing a month, a period of a month, with this red line. So it represents like a July month, because we are in July right now. So these blue lines that are over here, they represent a week. So this is a week we are looking at over here. So guys, what I've noticed is that, like, with me, with my setups and the style of trading and the style of trading that I use, my system that I use, the maximum setups I can get in a week, there are 3, and minimum setups I can get in a week, there are 2. It depends on how the market is going and the conditions of the market. It depends on the conditions of the market. As you can see, this is week 1 of July. We managed to make profit on this setup. We caught a setup on this one, and week on the same first week of July, we had a second setup which was a loss, and it turned out to be a loss. It could have been a win, but it turned out to be a loss. I've mentioned it on the other video that we had. So this is week 2 of July. What I had here, I had 3 setups that I was able to capitalize from. I had 2 winning setups on week 2 of July, and I closed out in a loss. So we had 2 wins and 1 loss. So for me, guys, it's really hard for me to find setups each and every day. I can't really find setups each and every day, even though I'm a day trader. I don't know how you guys do it, but some people will be sending out signals daily and all those things, but it's really hard to find setups each and every day, because you need to be patient, you need to wait for setups to show themselves, you need to wait, you need to make sure that those are A+ setups that you are taking. You are not just taking any setup that you see because it's a trading day and you'll be like, okay, it's Monday, let me go and see what I can find. No, you need to wait for a setup, a proper setup for you to execute and capitalize on the market. So for me, the average, like the maximum setups I can take in a week, there are 3, as you can see. So this is the first setup that I had over here. I won't explain much what I was looking at. You guys know the system by now, that I look for a displacement. Once I get the displacement over here, as you can see, then I wait for price to come back and mitigate on a fair value gap or on an order block or on a breaker block. So that's what I wait for. So here I had the entry. My entry was on 5 minutes on this one. I waited for price to come and mitigate this fair value gap over here, and then price pushed up to the upside. Then I went in on the second confirmation, of which was a candlestick on the 5 minute chart, and I was able to capitalize 1:2, to which I'm risking 0.5% to make to 1%. So that's how the system goes. And on this one, I was able to capitalize again. Over here, I was looking at this as a breaker block on 15-minute time frame, and after CPI came, we had a break of structure over here, a displacement. CPI made a displacement here, so I was waiting for price after CPI to come back and tap into this order block, breaker block over here, before going with the trend going to the upside. So I was able to capitalize there as well. So my last setup was on Friday. Over here, I was looking at the same thing. I was still thinking we're gonna be bullish, whereby I was looking at this as a break of structure. Again, I was looking for price to come back and take me in at this position and continue to go to the upside and go even more deeper. As you can see, guys, if you see this block, this gray block over here, this is a weekly fair value gap that I've been looking for. It's a weekly fair value gap. So I was thinking that we're still gonna go through more into this fair value gap because it's a weekly fair value gap, but price reversed and take me out on that one. So we had 2 wins and 1 loss. So it's not bad for my account, it's not bad for me as well. So guys, that's what I want to talk about. So we're gonna see how many setups I can get in a month. As I've said, as I've mentioned, that this is the end of July. When you see this red line over here, it represents the end of July. If you see this red line over here, it represents the beginning of July. I want to journal all my trades, put them in proper place so that I can see that how many trades I can get in a week, how many trades I can get in a month, what's my average win in a week, what's my average win in a month, what's my average loss in a week, what's my average loss in a month. So I want to document all of those things and see if everything is going good, so that I can make changes or I should stick to the system and see if the system is really working out for me. So that's it for the charts, guys. So guys, here you've seen it. I've shared everything that I wanted to share with you, what was happening last week and the good news that we have. So guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. I hope you're gonna watch until the end. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section below and tell us what you think about these videos, guys, and tell us what you think about the journey, and tell us if you're trading the pro firm challenges or what, and tell us what is happening with you. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, follow us on social media platform and Instagram and TikTok. We are also there, guys. So share the video, like the video, comment and subscribe. I will see you on the next video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and watch until the end. Cheers, guys.